Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to install and use the Blender Online extension with OffiDocs. To get started, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Blender 3D Creation Suite. Click on Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. Once installed, open the extension and wait for the Blender interface to load in your browser. This online version allows you to access all tools without installing additional software. Blender is a complete suite for 3D content creation. You can model objects, apply textures, create animations, and render scenes with advanced engines like EEVEE and Cycles. You can also edit videos, perform physics simulations, and add visual effects, all from the cloud. The extension includes a file manager to upload and download your projects, allowing you to save your work securely. Explore the power of Blender Online with OffiDocs. Try the extension today and take your creativity to the next level.